flashcards will start with the letter W. This is how the alphabet W looks like in uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. Wind, water, wind, water. Watermelon, waffle, watermelon, waffle. Walnuts, wheat, walnuts, wheat. Whale, wolf, whale, wolf. Walrus, woodpecker, walrus, woodpecker. Waterfall, watch, waterfall, watch. Wand, wood, wand, wood. Wall, window, wall, window. Well, windmill, well, windmill. Wheel, wallet, wheel, wallet. Whistle, wheelbarrow, whistle, wheelbarrow. Wardrobe, and lastly, washing machine, wardrobe, washing machine. Yeah, and that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different items, the names of which start with the letter W. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.